All right, boys, as you can see, we have gotten pulled over once again in the Hellcat. Come on, boys, we just left In-N-Out right now, and unfortunately, we got pulled over once again. So, yeah, let's see. How you doing, officer?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Hey, so the reason I'm talking to you is because no front plate, modified exhaust, and window tint, okay?
I'm sorry about that.
So, have you ever been talked to police before by any of those three things?
No, this is my first time getting pulled over.
First time getting pulled over ever?
Yes, sir.
Is this your car?
Yeah, it's my car, yeah.
Okay. You have your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir, I got you. Just came back from In-N-Out right now. There's my license right there. And then my registration's right here. Yeah, right there.
Okay. So, it's interesting that you tell me that you've never been pulled over. Yes, sir. Because we have contacts with this car before in the past, UCLA police specifically, that you've been warned about modified exhaust. So I don't see this going, you know, in a positive route, because you're lying to me now, because we do have contact with this vehicle before. So I mean, why do you think you need to lie to me?
I don't remember how long ago that was.
It doesn't matter. You remember you've been stopped. You remember you've been talked to about one of these three things that I mentioned to you. I mean, come on now. We gotta have mutual respect for each other.
Sir,
but when I ask you a question, you give me a lie.
That was, I don't know, I think that was a while ago. I don't remember, that was a minute ago. I'm sorry about that, officer. All right, boys. Pulled over once again. And a cat. Hold on, we gotta make a TikTok. We gotta make a TikTok about this, boys.
It's your lucky day, because I'm gonna tell you, I do take that very offensive that you lie to me, okay?
Yes, sir, I'm sorry about that.
As you can tell, my partners are responding to something else that's a little bit more urgent than this, okay?
Okay.
I see you driving around in this car with the windows still tinted, with no front plate, with your modified exhaust, and any other violation that I see. Young man, I'm gonna give you a ticket, and then I'm gonna look for state reffing you, okay?
Yes, sir, I understand that. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about that. I'll get it done ASAP.
Drive safe.
Yes, sir, you too. So yeah, we're chilling. Look at that, boys. We are good to go. We're absolute chilling. We good, boys. I ain't even worried about it. Come on. Laser. Look at that. Wait for it. Jeep. Damn. Expand. We good, boys. We good. We chilling. All right. So, moral of the story: Callie the kid is officially banned from UCLA. Like, I cannot come back here anymore. Like, today was my last day ever coming back in this area. So, unfortunately for me, no more UCLA. I gotta get out of here. That's funny he said that! He said they have made contact with this vehicle before. Oh my gosh, bro. I didn't have enough time to make a TikTok, bro. Fuck. But, hey, hurry up. We gotta go. Bro, we chilling. Bro, I'm telling y'all. That boy said, I ain't in the system with it. I'm in the, hold on. I'm gonna turn my light on. Bro, I am in the system with it, bro. That's crazy, bro. So, unfortunately, I can't come to UCLA anymore. You guys hear how loud my car is? So, I think there's a reason why I got pulled over, but we chilling, boys, we chilling. I gotta get out of here like ASAP, no Rocky, dead ass, bro. It's bad, bro, it's bad. And I'm not gonna lie, that was a setup, bro. Because if I would have said yes, we have made contact in the past, instant state ref. Oh yeah, you didn't change it? State ref. If I said no, he would have called me lying. So I said no, but either way, we chilling. We live to see another day, but yeah, we just cannot come back in this area no more, deadass. We out of here. happened. Oh my gosh. We are out, boys. We are out. Do we even go straight? I don't even know. Yeah, we go straight. We gotta get out of here, bro. Alright, boys. As you can see, we just made it to Rodeo. Safe and sound, surprisingly. Let's get their reaction as to what happened at this situation. Make sure my lens is... There we go. Okay, we are back in business, boys. But yeah, let's get their thoughts and opinions on the situation that just unfolded right now. That boy said, "We have you marked in the system. You ever come back here again, you're gonna get state rent. You heard me, boy?"
Getting pulled over.
Let me see. On Snapchat or 4K?
Tomato.
Don't tell me it's on Snapchat, nigga.
I was recording. I was like, I already know this is about to happen.
Yeah, dead ass, bro. Oh shit, I didn't turn it off.
What are you? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got him on camera. Oh my gosh! You're actually dumb. This dude didn't even turn off his car. What do you think you drive a Tesla, boy?
Calm down. No, his
Let me
whip's
see.
hard, bro. His whip's hard.
Show the other one. Bro, you know what he said to me?
What?
Bro, he said.
What was the first thing he said?
So first of all, he's already being a dickhead, but.
What did he say when he first came up to?
He bro, front no window tint, no front plate, loud
No
exhaust.
window tint.
What do you mean?
I thought you said no window tint.
No, window tint.
I know
I
what
said
you
window tint. And then he was like, have you ever made contact with us before? And I was like, no. And he was like, why are you lying? We have you in the system.
Are you dead ass? You're
Yeah,
lying.
yeah, he said
no?
that.
Bro, why would you say no?
Just keep
Just
keep going.
I told them it's like double loss. If I say yes, I made contact with you guys for it. He's gonna be like, okay, why don't you fix it? Stay ref. If I say no, have a chance of getting out of it. But they're like, nah, we got your car marked in the system. We know your car. Every time we see your car, we pull you over. But he was like, it's your lucky day. I gotta go respond to this.
Yeah, because I saw another cop going to the other car.
Yeah, he said that's more important. So he said, you come back here again though in this area, you're getting impounded. So I told them I'm banned from UCLA. I can't go in that area now. So it's cooked. I can't go back until I don't even know. I can't do anything. Deadass. I can't change the route.
Sell the car, bro.
Yeah, deadass.
Just get a new
That's
car.
never happening. I'm not selling that shit. They're gonna be fucking $20,000 for that car. But yeah, we just got cooked by police, bro. But
I was recording. I was like, I know he's about to get pulled over.
yeah, I hear you trying, bro. As soon as I pull out that alleyway,
Yeah,
fucking Brad is light on my face.
And he was going in that lane, and then he switched to your lane, and I was like, yeah, I could.
Bro, at this point, bro, we're funding the police at this point, bro. Deadass. But yeah, I can't go to UCLA anymore. Like that whole entire area is off limits now. This is the furthest I can go. So if I want to go to that highway, I can't even
go around, bro.
Yeah, deadass. I'm not even gonna risk it. Like fuck that. Cause like I remember that one time I got off the highway and a cop literally like waited for me to like go. Like bro, I can't go in that area. So it's cooked now. So that was my last time going to UCLA in and out.
It's fine. We're just going to David's car now.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck no.
Come on, bro.
You're not going in this. I'm good, gang.
Hey, bro. One day. Chill out, bro.
Yo, keep watering it and keep watering it. It'll turn into an M3 one day. That's bro.
Chill, bro. Chill.
Oh, look, he's camera shy. Hey, touch my camera, I'll knock you out. Oh, bro.
Okay.
Alright, touch my camera, I'll knock you out, fool. Don't play with me. Oh, look who it is. Well. Oh my god. Nobody's gonna park over here. No, sir.
David, tell me you guys have the same car.
Hey, Jobs, bro, Jobs.
Let's go, bro.
Somebody.
How you doing?
Good, buddy.
Bro, I saw you yesterday.
Where?
Right?
Oh, wait,
you got a ticket.
who got a ticket?
David.
When?
Are you serious? You got a fucking ticket.
A parking ticket?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, where?
what?
Wait, was that at
know.
In-N-Out or what?
No, I was Hollywood.